Wednesday, March 25th. Happy to see some students have already finished their flower model. If that is you, your next step is to make sure you're comfortable with vocabulary, focusing on the structure, on the shapes, like the sizes, the parts, the structures of the flowers, and then their jobs. So we also call that the function. So making sure that big idea, that cross-cutting concept of structure and function is clearly understood before you start your assessment. So the assessment is located in the flower reproduction folder. It looks a little bit like this. And this is how you might view it from your side. Students have been working in break materials folder and in distance learning, but this assessment is actually in the reproduction folder. So you're going to go down to the bottom. This is only if your name is up there because you have submitted your model. Once that's done, you're going to finish with your flower and function structure check-in. So I'm excited to see so many students checking in and telling me how they're feeling. Some of us kind of feel a little bit like a sloth waking up in the morning, and some of us feel kind of like a pizza because we're still about to eat breakfast. Some of us were feeling like a party, but missing our friends a little bit and a little isolated. So thank you for checking in and letting me know how you're doing. And excited to also invite students that you see your name down here to a call-in Thursday at 9 to do some next steps for the modeling and for the physical activity data collection. So looking forward to seeing those students. And if you have any questions calling in, everybody's invited for Zoom at 9 a.m.